Okay, I came out to check on the broody hens that's sitting on a clutch of eggs. That's the hen there. Selenite has moved her out and is laying an egg. So as soon as this one finishes, this one's gonna go back on the nest, and then I'm gonna have to find, you can see I marked the eggs. There'll be a fire here in a minute. So let me tell you what I'm doing, and the reason I'm doing it is just for this reason here. Because every time one of the other hens pushes her out or moves her over, they lay an egg, and then she scoots it underneath her. So, let's see here. I put 2 more nests underneath, but I've got to clean the coop, and I can't do it with them in here because then they get all upset. So I need to get that all cleaned up. Let me show you what I'm doing, because that's throwing all the others off. This is what I'm doing tonight. Okay, I've got this here, and I got the food bowl here. Oh, hiccups. Let me get the food. I've got it here already waiting. And this is what I'm going to use for the eggs. So I've got the food. It's the laying pellets and the GRUBTERRA. No, that's not for you. Oh, that's not for you, Jasper. Well, I'll let you have a bite if you want a bite. The GRUBTERRA black soldier fly larvae. There, I got it out. This is what I've been working on the whole day. And this is what I'm going to do so that don't keep happening. And I've got water set up in here. And I'm gonna have the food over there. I'll scoot it further in just a little bit. I've got it set up in there. What I'm gonna do tonight, let me turn this around. What I'm going to do tonight is when the rest of them are roosting, I'm gonna come out here after dark. I am going to transfer all of her eggs in this basket. Put all the eggs in there, and then I'm going to get her and put her in here. So what I'm going to do is transfer all of the eggs. Oh, I went the wrong way. All of the eggs in here from Smokey, and I'm going to put Smokey in here in the middle of the night where it's dark, so when she gets up, she won't be so confused. Okay, and she's going to be, she'll have her eggs in there, and she'll have her food and water in there also. Okay, now I'm going to put black tourmaline over here, and I've got the same setup in here, only I don't need top on this. Where I'm gonna put her eggs, because obviously the doghouse has a top on it. Gonna have its own water and food in here, so that the other hens aren't laying an egg and then her scooting it up underneath her, because that's what's happening. So I marked all the eggs yesterday, and earlier when I was out here I checked, and hey baby, come here, come here. And sure enough, one of them had laid an egg, and she's been taking the eggs and sliding them underneath her. So I've rearranged in here. So black tourmaline and her clutch will go there. Smokey and her clutch will go there. Now, prior to the hens even going broody, if you remember right, let me back up and you can see how I've done this, because I had moved all the food and water close, so when they come out to to eat or drink, it was close enough because they don't like being away from their eggs, from their clutch. So I did it all like this. The 2 tables are going to be for the pullets. Now remember, when I took Onyx back to the lady that I had originally ordered the pullets from, she didn't realize that one of them was going to be a rooster, which she technically was keeping the rooster, but we didn't know it was going to be a rooster. So she took him back, and I was going to go ahead and, well, I am getting 7, let's see, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7 more pullets from her. Now this was before these 2 hens went broody, okay? So I was setting this up, and what I did was I moved these 2 tables here to the middle, and I'm going to put wire all around it. I'll make a little door here on this side so that I can clean it and do the food and water and everything from there. And then I'll have something on the top here in the middle. They can't get out of those, but right here in the middle, I'll have to put something on the top, and then just put something on it so that it doesn't blow off. Because as you can see, the bottom is already meeting, so it can't get any closer, the very bottom. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've been getting this ready. The next few days or so, I'll get the wire put around this. I'll get Lee to help me, and we can staple it on. Now I'm going to transfer the eggs tonight, in the middle of the night, so that she doesn't get stressed, so they don't get stressed. I don't want to move in around and throwing a fit and breaking eggs, because that would not be good at all. There's the other chickens back there. And then, so I'll move the clutch of eggs under one of them, and then move the hen, and then the same over there, so that the hens can, and I have my gloves here, because when I get ready to pick her up to move her, she's not going to be a happy camper. She's not a happy camper when I pick her up and move her to the side, so that I can check the eggs and make sure that she hasn't snuck another egg up underneath her. Now, another reason that I am doing this is because if you're not familiar with raising chickens, it takes 21 days to hatch out the chickens. And a lot of times the eggs will hatch out 2 or 3 days apart. And most of the time, she'll stay, with them till they hatch out. After the 3rd day after the first one hatches, she'll normally get off and then not do anything with the eggs. But since it takes 21 days, majority of hens will get off the nest for anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, very seldom 20 minutes, just getting off enough time to drink water, eat a little food, use the bathroom, and go back and get on. But you will, every now and then, you will have hens that literally will not get off the nest at all. They stay on the nest and don't eat or drink for 21 days and starve to death, pretty much is what it is. So that's the reason I moved everything closer. And with me moving them in their own areas, I am able to keep an eye and see, how much they're eating, how much they're drinking, stuff like that. And then the other hens can go back to going back in their nest and laying eggs without being stressed and having to fight for the spot that they had always previously laid eggs in. So I'll continue this tonight. Lee's going to come out here with me with a flashlight tonight if it happens to be too dark or something in here. I told him just have the flashlight like facing up. I just need enough light so that I don't trip and break my neck or anything. But I don't want too much light and disturb any of the hens once they're roosting, or them. I want them to be sleepy and groggy when I move them so that in the morning they'll not be all stressed. So I'll see you after dark. So as I'm heading out, I thought I'd check in here and see 2 of them in there. Then when selenite gets out, after she's laid her egg, Smokey will scoot the egg underneath her. It's okay, baby. It's okay. But I don't want him to keep doing that because I don't want him to break any eggs. Now, Amethyst is laying underneath. I've already collected that egg. And one of the others did. I don't know which one it was. So, yeah, I'll be back. And then I'll have to check the eggs later and see which one is, you know, not marked, and take it out. It's black tourmaline. And all you see is Smokey's butt. In there, Smokey. And of course, selenite. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just hold out a minute. Just stay here. Hold this, and I'm going to go get everything moved. Sweetie, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I can't feel nothing in your gloves. Come on. Get underneath her. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, there's one too many eggs. Shine it, that's not one. Okay, we'll have to just follow me, because I'll have to find the egg.
Oh, I can't get through here hardly. Damn.
Okay, shine the flashlight over here. This is it. That's the one selenite laid earlier. Okay. I'm trying to keep them in the same, because they'll turn them themselves. So I'm trying to keep them how they were laying. Ouch. wait right here. I'm gonna go in and get her. I'm gonna keep her in the dark.
Okay.
I'll take my glasses off. I'll be right back. Go get on your eggs. It's okay.
You need a light?
No, no. She's moving them under her. It's okay. I want her to move forward to the back. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Kodiak. Hush.
All right, let me go get the other ones.
Do I need to go back in there?
If you can make it in. Yeah, because I'll need the light, just like you did before. there's one extra egg in here too. So I'm gonna have to find the egg. Okay.
I'll just wait. No, I was gonna wait.
Huh?
I was just gonna wait on you.
Well, I need the flashlight then. I can't look at the eggs.
Oh, damn. Kodiak, what are you looking at? Oh, she's in there putting the eggs. I can't hardly get through that little door we made. So I'm gonna wait on it.
Smokey's pissed that here you go. Smokey's pissed that I moved the nest. Let me just make sure I didn't miss any. Already knocked over all her feed. No, my hand.
Trying to get out.
I was trying to see if I had anything to. Let me just watch her for a minute. See, she already went in her nest.
Can she get out? You need to put like a strap around it, bungee cord.
I've got straps on that side and this side. Those all the straps I had. I can put something in the front.
Well,
push out.
Get something.
It's her feed log. Leave these here till in the morning. You see that? Let's let them in it. Don't trip on that behind you. Okay. Go ahead and turn it off.